Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10-inch round canvas and a plastic dollar store palette knife. I have some Color Place white paint from Walmart, semi-gloss latex, and I'm hoping that that's going to be enough. I'd really like it to be. Maybe just a little tiny bit more. I have Prizm pours from Color Art that I have mixed with Vivid Polypore. I filled one of these little restaurant containers about half full and then added color until I like the until I like the color. I have, let's start out with Blue Velvet, which is a gorgeous deep electric blue. To be followed by, oh, there's the cap, Frozen, to be followed by Water Dragon, I gotta find myself some little spoons, I've got some somewhere, and this gorgeousness is African Violet. To be followed by Pink Diamond. This is just going to be very straightforward as far as I'm guessing to blow it out. I've got two purples here and just one. This one must be Twilight Violet. I think I have a couple confused, actually. Let's turn that around a little bit. I may not have enough brights in there, but I guess we'll find out together. Let me cover some of these up. I'll snap those lids on after. I'm going to use some white cell activator, which is Amsterdam white, added into Aussie Floetrol. And here goes nothing. I want to put some black in there too. And because I like it so much, I'm going to probably do a little bit more. Give it a moment. That's pretty. I like it. I've got purple too. And then I will see what we can do with a spin. I might wreck something, as in stick a skewer or something in there. I don't actually believe that it needs much of anything, to tell you the truth. And I've got all kinds of things. I just want to tip this right now. I've got tremendously, I don't know if you can see the shimmer in that, but it's butterfly wing gorgeous. And I want to use something to dump into. So I'm going to do this way. Move it back. That'll keep one less thing I have to clean up. It's an awful lot of nice cells I really don't want to miss. Boy, those colors are just the bomb together. They're amazing. And whatever goes in my dish is the likely candidate to be stuck on the sides if I need it to go that way. I'm going to let that come right back again. I really like that black. I kind of want to put some more in there. Use my studio rag to get some of this off my hands. I really, really like that black a lot. I don't need it to be the cell activator. Yeah, the black makes me happy. It adds a certain something something. And if I did decide to put some cell activator in there, it might be the Hobby Lobby brand of Master's Touch. Because I can. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. See if I can do that with my straw. Oh, wrong straw. Darn. Still some there. They're watercolors. So pretty. I think just one more hit of black and I should be all set. I'm going to let it be the cell activator this time. Yes, I like that. I'm going to have a little more though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 areas. Am I perfectly happy? I could probably dribble a little something else in there. This is what I'm thinking. You can use that right over the edge. So there's no waste. That's beautiful. I think I got one more spiral in me. I don't know. This area here is bugging me. That's a little better. this, on the other hand, over here, was a slightly clumsy shape. Gosh, that's pretty. Let me show it to you from the direction I like it best. Yep, I'm happy with that. Best one today. I'm going to pop some bubbles once I hold it in the light, which is bound to be a slightly messy process. We won't expose you to that. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for being here. If you'd like to share my videos, it helps me out. When you watch them longer, it helps me out too. I'm going to touch up my edges pretty quick. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, in my studio. I'm going to zoom in on this. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. I should probably try and pick it up to the camera, but I'm not sure that the automatic focus would work. But I can do that. We'll give it a try at once at least anyway. It might be out of focus though. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for the wonderful comments. They keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. I wish I could zoom in a little more. We'll zoom in as far as we can. I'll leave it right there. If you are interested in helping support my channel and keep me making tutorials, you should look for the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and making a donation will get you an invitation to the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes included at the very beginning of the exhibition video on the end screen of this video. If you would like to be financially helpful otherwise, like in Christmas shopping or whatever shopping you need, I have an Amazon link. It's on the link tree. The link tree contains Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Society 6. What else? I said Amazon. My 2 books are on the Amazon link. What else? What else? My email address is below the link tree. I do sell my artwork. If you're interested in making an inquiry, just use my email address. It's EASPB. That's the word gallery spelled EASPB, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. Wow. I'm like losing my stuff lately. If you need to ask questions, please feel free to. I'm happy to answer them if I can. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. And I'm completely lost. My Teespring clothing is now spring clothing. It's below the video. Anything that you might happen to want on there, you can always make a request and I'll try and add it. Same thing for prints at fineartamericapixels.com. If you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. Which reminds me, I have 2,300 videos organized by the 100 in topic and genre. And if you can't find what you're after, ask me, because it's easy for me to find for you. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying, gosh, I'm glad you were here. You inspired me. You inspire me so much. Thank you. See you and on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.